Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Creative X. My name is Brad Hussey, and like you, I'm a web designer. Thank you so much for being here. Look, there are millions of web design tutorials, interviews, software reviews, reactions, live stream videos, all across the YouTube land. But this channel is the absolute best. Are you actually about to say this is the best YouTube channel? Yes. Don't do that. It's tacky. But no, be humble, Brad. I know we're pretty new to the game, but I mean, I'm confident these videos that we pump out twice a week are absolute fire. You're doing it again. Okay. I'll start over again, I guess. Thank you. Thank you for choosing to stop by my channel. You're gonna love it because it's the best YouTube channel in the entire... And nope, I'll take over from here. Thanks for stopping by our channel, Creative X. We've partnered with Editor X, the advanced web creation platform, to bring you our best videos all about the art, business, and craft of web design. If you're a professional designer, you build websites for clients, you're running a creative agency, or you want to learn how, this channel is for you, my friend. From expert interviews, live stream sessions, Editor X tutorials, challenges, reactions, and, yes, silly shenanigans, you'll find yourself learning, laughing, and loving your time here with us. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Which is gonna be... Nope. I knew I should have kept him on mute. See you in the next one, folks.